Hi, Chris Maloof with Cross Country Financial. Have you ever wondered why your investment accounts are not growing like you thought they would over the course of time? Today we're going to go through one of the cornerstones of financial services that could shed some light on why your accounts are not growing like they should be. Stick around. Today we're going to go through what's called the Rule of 72. It's also called the Banker's Rule. And it's a very simple mathematical equation that gives you an approximation of how long it will take your money to double based on the rate of return you're earning. So as an example, if we're earning 3% on our money, 3 goes into 72 24 times, our money will double every 24 years. If we increase our rate of return to 6%, 6 goes into 72 12 times, our money doubles every 12 years, and you can see our ending balance didn't just double, but it actually quadrupled, and that's the power of compound interest. If we increase our rate of return to 12%, 12 goes into 72 6 times, our money doubles every 6 years, and you can see the dramatic impact in our ending investment balance. Now, it kind of begs the question, why is that important? You know, that's pretty simple math once you go through it. Well, one thing I see in this line of work as a financial advisor is folks have a lot of money sitting in like a savings account, a CD, and a money market. And there's a time and a place for those investment vehicles. But as of the day of shooting this video, per Bankrate.com, the national average on savings deposits was 0.09%. We're in a very low interest rate environment and have been for quite some time. So apply that equation. If we're earning 0.09%, how long is it going to take your money to double? Over 72 years, right? And if inflation averages out to between 2–2.5% over a long course of time, and we're earning less than 1%, are we gaining purchasing power or are we losing purchasing power? We're actually losing, right? And we're going backwards. Now, another thing I see in this line of work, and I've gone through orientation with big companies too. You go through orientation, you get this big packet of information, and they say, hey, by the way, your 401k enrollment's in there. But no one really sets anyone down and says, this is how you properly allocate an investment portfolio. You know, that's not HR's job. So a lot of time that your 401k money will get plugged into what's called a target date fund. And there are some pros and cons to target date funds. But if you look at the performance numbers for the target date funds that are close to maturation, it's usually around 6 or 7%. Well, if we could properly allocate that money and get it closer to 8 or 9%, what's that look like over time? You know, that's a big difference. That's a big difference. Again, the Rule of 72 gives us an approximation on how long it will take our money to double, illustrates the power of compound interest, and shows the importance of making sure you're getting the maximum rate of return you can based on your investment objective, your risk tolerance, and your time horizon, and those variables that feed into that. If you have some questions on is your money allocated correctly, feel free to reach out. You know, that's what we do. We'd be happy to do a portfolio review and see if we can make some improvements. If you found this information beneficial, hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. We post a lot of educational content on basic investment concepts. Hope this was beneficial to you. Have a great day.